Hey guys, I'm gonna make this a little short video real quick just to let you know this is the next project I'm doing. Some of you said you wanted to see one of these sinks done, step by step as I do it. Well, here's the sink. It's gonna be done this weekend, and I was hoping some of you guys could give me some ideas on some colors, whatever color I want to do to it. They said, I could do it, so hopefully some of you guys could help me out. If I had to do it, I think I would do it in maybe a white with the same design maybe as the other sink I did in the other video. It sure is in rough shape right now though. I'll get it all fixed up and taken care of. It's got a few dings and nicks in it. There's a good size gouge right there. Another one right there. There's a little chip on the corner right here. It's been taken off. Nothing a little bit of Bondo won't take care of. Sorry about the shakiness. I'm having to record this on my phone. My camera is toast. Oh, and I want to show you a couple samples I did for somebody yesterday. They want me to do a countertop. I don't know if, let me get out of the glare. Try and pick this up. Let me get away from that light. Let me lay it down over here somewhere. Now you can tell this is my pour table. It's got epoxy all over it. There, that's a little bit better. Oh, I wish you could see it in person. It looks a lot better in person. Anyway, it's a samurai black with traces of cobalt blue in it. Let me see if I can get up close. They give me a picture of this color, and they give me one of this color. I like this one better. This and it's got some it's also got samurai black in it, and it's got some linen white. That's the lighter color you see in it. And I also sprayed it with a chameleon metallic color. As you can see, that all through there. Let me see if I can get a better shot of it for you. That light's gonna mess me up. You can see the chameleon there. What a daggum light's aggravating. The glare from it. Anyway, I just want to make this little quick video. For one, to show you these, and for two, let me see if I can get a better shot of that chameleon. I wish I could get rid of that glare. Anyway, I made the video to show you these two samples. He likes this one. This is the one they're going with right here. And I made it to get your opinion on this sink. I need some ideas for some colors. And who better to turn to than YouTube, right? It looks pretty hideous right now, but it'll be a beauty come this weekend. I'm gonna film it. I'm gonna try to edit it on my phone. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to. And if I don't, I'm gonna upload it anyway, regardless. Because I've had a bunch of people ask me about it, and I'm gonna deliver. Sure am. All I need some ideas on some colors, guys. We'll make it a thing of beauty. They told me they didn't know. Well, yesterday, it's the same person I've done them samples for that's wanting me to do the sink for them. Now they think they're going to go with, it's what they said this morning anyway. They want to go with possibly an undermount sink instead of this one. But they said I could go ahead and do it. And if they decide to change their mind, for sure, that I could have this sink. When I do it, it'll be for sale. So, because I have no use for it. I want to show you this chameleon color in this. Oh, maybe I can see it right there. If I could get rid of that glare on that dadgum light. It's a real pretty color. I'm not going to be able to get out from under that light. I can see it perfect. I just wish y'all could. It's all through it, and it's really, really pretty. I like the blue too. It's all right, but I don't care for that design too much. Anyway, if you guys are wanting to see this done, drop me a thumbs up and give me some ideas on some colors, because this one's solely going to be colored by one of you guys. It's going to be your color, your design. So it's up to one of you. So if you get any value out of any of my videos, please drop me a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button if you ain't already, because I'm going to start doing these videos more frequent. Well, as soon as I can get me a new camera or a better camera. Mine bit the dust. Gonna start doing 2 videos a week. Yep. And so get yourself subscribed if you haven't already. And as always, I appreciate you guys watching. I really do. And you guys have a good day. God bless.